Hello, today we are continuing my quest for the perfect EDC pick set. After we made the hair clip EDC tool, I came across something interesting on Banggood, and it's this kit. And it is called 3 pieces automotive electrical wire connector pins terminal removal toolkit puller. I'll put a link in the description. And there are a bunch of these on Banggood. So the difference is that this particular kit has material steel written on it, while all the other kits have material aluminium written on them. And we were going to test. So this is a magnet. Okay, this is not steel. So a magnet, and yes, so this is maybe not steel, but it's definitely iron of some sort because it's magnetic. There's two main issues with this. The thickness. So this part is pretty thin, so no modification is needed to the shaft, but the width is around 40 thousandths of an inch, and therefore we will need to thin it down to at least I think 25 thousandths. And our goal is to be able to pick this Alba 5 pin Euro cylinder. And I'll show you the tension tools later when we finish thinning down this thing. Okay, so the tip here is too small to take material off, so I'll need to bend it in order to create a small hook shape. Okay, and let's take the sharp bit off with the file. Let's clean him up a little bit with a 1000 grit sandpaper. and I think you can thin down this part a little bit. No, let's not. Okay, so I have this tension tool which I'm making for the EDC kit, and it's designed to fit in this particular keyway. It's really hard to hold it. This type of handle. Okay, so for conclusion, it's kind of nice to have this as an emergency tool, but I wouldn't use it for anything else than emergency. Holding it with this round handle makes it very hard to use, but you know, a pick is a pick. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.